Hello and welcome to ACLT 053 for week 9. For this week in ACLT 053 online, you will be working on your working outline, and that is found on the assignments page. I'm going to go to it. For this assignment, it should look very, very familiar. You're doing a working essay outline and MLA formatting assignment. And you will also be asked to cite two of your sources, one from the common readings and one from a source that you found when you did some research. So this should be very, very similar to what you've worked on before with your other assignments. You're pretty much just doing a working outline. And that information, again, is found on the Assignments tab. And you will scroll down to it, to the Health module, and you will see Health Assignment 3, Working Essay Outline, and MLA Formatting Assignment Rubric. I'm going to go back to the calendar. Later in the week, you will be doing another assignment having to do with inferences and so forth. And that's coming up in later in the week. For that particular assignment, you'll be going to the discussion board, and you're going to be formulating and explaining valid inferences based on the readings for the health module. So that is later in the week as well. So you have two assignments, just to recap. One will be doing the working outline and formulating your sources, two of your sources from the health module. And also, you're going to be doing this posting on the discussion board about formulating and explaining valid inferences for this week. I hope that this information was helpful.